Good morning, everyone. So to start the week, I'm just going to use this Bountiful birthday card making kit from Anna Griffin. Simple, easy, just pop something together. I think the hardest thing about using these kits is possibly that you're going to cover something up and you're like, oh no, because you want everything to show and everything's so pretty. So I did just recently get this from HSN. I'll have a link in the description box, which would be affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And having said that, it's funny. I was looking at it, I'm like, it looks very fall to me, but at the same time, it's like a birthday kit. And it's like these colors, but then these colors don't have anything to do with fall. It's just a birthday kit. It's really pretty. And even with the fall, that's where I bought it, because I like the colors in these images. So let's just open this up and put something together. So this is just a paper, just like an inspiration sheet that came in here. I already unboxed it just yesterday, a couple days ago. When was that? I don't remember. So it looks like it might have been picked at already here. So we are going to need these, I believe. We have our gorgeous card bases again. I already went through those, but just to give you an example, again, they're not super fall. Like this one looks like it has, oh gosh, I was like maple leaves. What do they call the ones with the little acorns? Hey, you know me, oak. I don't know. And then we have all these guys. This one's really pretty with the grapes. And then we have that one and this one. And you guys already know I'm trying to go for pink because I normally do that, but I'll try not to today. And then these are just printed papers, and I thought they were so pretty. These are really, really pretty, like the design on that one and this one. This one's more muted. And they always say handmade by on the back. A little cheat there. A little bit handmade. Hand put together by. All right. And then we have all these toppers. Basically, that's what you kind of use, and then everything else is extra. I mean, you don't have to use these toppers, but that's what makes it the simplest and the biggest wow right there in the center. So you have the time to celebrate and all these different things. Happy birthday to you. Sending you birthday wishes. Happy birthday. With that little gold foiling in the back. It's all one piece. Looks so pretty. And then the pieces that have like the little bows stuck to them, or a piece of bow. Ribbon, I guess. It's not really a bow. Birthday hugs with the foiling. Just really ornate. So here's that one. And it's already put together like that, so as you can see. Let's see here. We get intertwined here. Oh, look at this one. So pretty. Those chrysanthemums. I forget the names of things sometimes, but I know this is a very pretty flower. It's a little bit messed up there. To the birthday queen. That's sweet. I like that. Just for you. Not really even birthday related, this one. And on your special day, another big guy. Of course, the bows, more toppers, other little pieces that we can put here and there. I guess I didn't really go through these. I did an unboxing, but it wasn't completely unboxed, I suppose. Look at those leaves. So cool. I love the balloons. I think I used those before on another card, so I'm not going to use those today. From the big birthday box kit. Ooh, the champagne flutes, or however. Little pumpkins, and then all these bigger kind of topper pieces. And then we have all these pretty florals here. So there are leaves and maple leaf looking things. Some are green, some are turned colors. We have like a bird in here. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm going to do is pick a card base and think about how we want to layer this up. Everything kind of just sitting in front of me, so I can kind of have a lay of the land here. It's so pretty with the balloons already. Like, that's just pretty, just as it is. It says happy birthday. Maybe this one. Sending you birthday wishes. It has a little bit of that green in there. The little acorn, which just looks cute. It doesn't look like, to me, anything that's too, oh, no, that's for this or that. This is very reminiscent of the China cabinet, which reminds me, reading all your comments, I haven't gone back to look at the other videos, like I said, and I didn't really have the examples with her on HSN, or at least the demos I saw. People said the whole year of finishing school is going to be square cards, which I like, and I have the square compendium, so even if I want to do other things with it, I think I have to cut. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. We should have stuff like this, because, like, you can trim this down. You can use it all as one piece or however, but build off of that. So just so you have that info. And okay, I don't think I'm going to get anything bigger because I don't really want something bigger on this one. So we have this. It's going to be kind of layered up. Let me see if this... We're probably going to put something on that. Some dimensional in the back. Oh, there should be 2 of these guys. Right, there are 2. Sending you birthday wishes. Let me see here. Oh, I never really used those, but I think that's really sweet. And that might be good for there. Oh, flowers. That's what we want to do. Flowers. And then there's also more words and stuff, but I don't really need those because the sentiment is already there. So this is going to be pretty quick. This seems a little bit out of place. Let me go through these pieces because otherwise I'm going to be here for a while just like, I'll be right back on this one. This one's going to be a little bit extra, and that's great. What I'm going to do with this one, I think, is put it in the back. So we're going to pop this up, put this in the back somewhere, put these guys on top, and then this. I just need to think about how we're going to do that without squishing everything. I guess we'll just start with this back piece, and then we'll do whatever we want with that. So I'm going to put a ton of these little guys on here, and to spare you, I will be back. So I'll put these down everywhere, and then I'll take the little backings off. Of course, if you don't want to deal with these, like on this big guy, I would just use a big piece of foam that you might already have, or dimensional adhesive, or 3D glue gel. Just squeeze it on there. With the 3D glue gel, you definitely want to build up whatever you're going to build up, and then stick it down, because it'll get squished as you keep working if you keep adding stuff on top of that. Even if you're careful, it still happens. So I would just say, put these on here. And I just said I'm going to spare you guys, and I'm pretty much done. But I'm going to pick off all the little backs, and that's the part that takes some time sometimes. So I will be right back. Okay. So I'm just trying to center that by looking at it. But I guess you could use your grids and just make sure you're about the same. That's not too high. If you want to double it up because you're going to put other things, you can definitely do that. Let me see what I wanted to do again. I was going to put this back here somewhere. And then have these guys in here somehow. I already forgot, but they'll be in here. I'll probably glue those down. And then this guy was going to be on top over here. Yeah, that works out. Okay. And this one does have sticky on the back of it, so you can just... Pretty much all the stickers, that's why they're called stickers, are sticky on the back, and I always forget, and I use glue. Sometimes I use glue on purpose, though, because if you're sticking this to something like embossed, it's really kind of, flat. And wet glues are better for something like that, because they'll go in the little nooks and crannies and ups and downs that the embossing creates, I don't need to tuck it in too much, just like in here. Like that. And this is really a comprehensive kit. I was going to say you don't even need glue, but I am going to glue these flat. But if you don't want to, I guess we don't have to glue them flat. Huh. Okay. I was going to glue them flat, but you know what? We can just pop a little pop dot on this one. Maybe just a couple just for extra help. I don't think I'm going to stick one on the bottom. Really comprehensive kit. I think it's, if you know somebody who likes this kind of thing, or Anna Griffin, I think it'd be a great kit to send to somebody as a gift, because everything's in there. I'm just trying to see how I want to do this. Do I want that one down here? Do I want this one first, and this one on top? Yeah, I think I'm going to glue this one down flat. So we do need a little glue, but again, you don't actually have to. If you still want to put that with some dimension, you can definitely do that. Oh, you know what? Are these a sticker? Let me see. Sometimes stickers are stickers, and sometimes some pieces are not stickers. Oh, it is a sticker. All right, I take it back. Hold on, I don't want to cover that word up too much. All right, then, let me put this away. No need for this. So just a quick and easy, simple thing to put together. Oh, you know what? I thought that was one piece. Did you see that? I just took it apart. Well, guess what? We're going to put 2 stickers there then. That is too funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, see if I can put it back the way I had it, because I thought that was pretty. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, well, we're putting 2. Let me pick the backs off of these and I'll be right back. See if I can put this back together the way I had it, because I thought that was really pretty and I don't remember what it was. Of course. Was it like this? Was it something like that? Maybe, perhaps. Either way, however it fits nicely is what I want to do. I'm going to figure that out. Maybe I have to look at the camera again, go back and look at the images. How was it? That is too funny because it was just in there and I didn't realize it was 2 pieces. I think it was something like this. Yeah, that looks a little better. That is so funny. Which is actually kind of cool because I can manipulate it to go right around that sentiment. Okay, and I'm sticking it more on the top than at the bottom because we have that dimensional. If you don't, again, a lot of times what I do when there's dimension and I want certain things, I won't take the back off it. I'll put glue like on this side, and then maybe on the back of the other piece I'll put some dimensionals to keep it up. But that is our card for today. Very simple, very pretty. Simple in that it was, what, 3 or 4 steps, but it was just fun to work with and put it together and have something beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have a link in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. What a happy little, like, circumstance or happenstance, I guess, because, like, I thought those were together, and I thought it looked pretty, and I would never have done that on my own. Just as simple as that is, I wouldn't have thought to do that. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.